I'm on enantate 25 milligram daily shots. This gets my T up to 1200 nanograms per deciliter, free T227, SHBG 16. When I started TRT, it was amazing, but only for about 1 week. After 1 week, all the positives stopped. Then I quit for 3 months, felt worse than before, went back on TRT, felt great again for 1 week, as if something else is missing in my protocol. My thyroid is good. DHEA is good, pregnenolone, progesterone, I have nowhere to test, but I tried pregnenolone and progesterone supplements and felt no difference. My main issue is no libido, please help.
Yeah, and he actually just posted in the group, so we already got people responding over there. I responded to him over there as well. Just libido is so multifactorial and hard to figure out. It really is. I know, but guys don't like to hear that. I get it. People want a quick fix. There's often not. You have to look at every factor in your life other than just hormones when it comes to sex drive. You have to look at the health of your relationship, how you think about sex, right? There's cultural differences I've noticed there with how certain guys in certain cultures think about sex in general. I remember one guy one time posted in the group saying, he thought on TRT he should be walking around with an erection all day, and that's crazy. His friends had told him that. I'm like, no, that's what like teenagers and pedophiles do, right? Like you can't think about it like that. So I'm not saying he's doing that, but a lot of people you have to evaluate everything: sleep, stress, diet, and then you can start trying, to tweak. I mean, with his numbers, to me, 27 free T is not high, quote unquote. It may be too high for him. He could drop it down a hair, but you got to make small adjustments and then ride it out. And people don't like the time it takes to do that sometimes, but you have to. If he's not, I'm not a huge HCG fan, but some guys do have improved libido on it. That's something you could try. Start with a low dose, do frequent injections. I'm a big fan of more frequent injections with HCG. But again, with libido, it seems like a lot of libido is tagged to fluctuations in hormones for whatever reason. So we always talk about avoiding fluctuations for all the other benefits, but yet the libido, they seem to be able to chase it with more fluctuations. And it's sort of it's a double-edged sword. I don't have a good explanation for that. Maybe because in our bodies, when we're making testosterone naturally, we do get those daily constant fluctuations. And sex drive seems to be better in guys with normal testosterone, healthy, for whatever reason. And so I do sometimes wonder if supplementing with testosterone the way we do, which typically causes a constant level, even though it benefits all the other areas that we like, does that negatively affect libido? I don't know, because there's so many guys that still have perfect libidos when they're, so I don't have an answer for that. I wish I had something better for him, but you got to look at everything. TRT is not it just doesn't fix everything. Neither does thyroid. It can fix a lot, but not everything.
Mizumi is the #1 product for acne problems on TRT. Check out the products using the link in the description under this video.